We're at Amontay Beach Resort. It's hot. I'll say that now. It's bloody hot today. And it's also flipping busy. Hopefully, we'll get a shack or a hut, whatever you want to call it. And you can get out of the sun a little bit if you need to. We'll see. Oh, a bit tired today. I was up watching the football last night, I don't know any of you care. But I was up late, and now I'm up at the beach with a police mobile and these guys. Yeah. I'll show you around. Wedding? It's a wedding? You can get married here? That's pretty cool. Huh? What do you say? Bugay.
Kadugay Nemo Mark.
Oh, thanks, mate.
What's that mean?
I have no idea.
What's it mean?
You say it,
I said it. He heard me.
Fuck you, Lynn. That's what you say. So this is your last day, Sean?
Last full day.
Last full day.
Yeah, mate.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, mate.
I'll have no one to talk to after that in English. Crazy. I might cry tomorrow. Back to Vietnam you go.
Why you say Dugay, Mark? What the fuck, man? Are you okay, Sean?
Ah, well.
Yeah,
Go
man.
swim na. Swim.
Oh, we're here for a barbecue today.
Yeah, what'd you guys get?
We got. Did we get fish?
You know.
Lynn, shut up. I think I don't know if we got fish as well. I think so. Fish and pork. But we got cooked chicken already. You know that chicken we had last time at the beach?
Which one?
Lechon manok. It was just like cooked chicken.
All right.
Yeah. And then we're gonna cook our own pork and fish. If we have fish. I don't know if we have fish.
And
then we eat it, mate. Yeah, it's pretty good.
no, but then for dinner we're gonna get some mang in the south.
Okay. Today we have to. We actually do.
Yeah, we do. So last day.
Yeah. There's no queue or not. We're waiting.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll try the one on the main one.
Yeah.
How long you got the car for? To the end of the day?
I don't know. You gotta ask Rain about. Or
How much did you pay for it?
1,800.
Oh, that's alright.
Yeah. 1,800 for that. 600 for the heads. 1,500 for the cabana.
So it adds up,
It
right?
adds up,
It
man.
does. So the thing is, right, the Philippines is so cheap.
It is.
But when you're paying for like 20 people,
Yeah.
then the prices are the same as anywhere else.
Yeah.
But it's
Well,
cool. But you bring in
but
20
you
people.
You have your whole family.
100%.
You know?
100%. I mean, for you, you have to pay for a family in the US anyway.
I do.
So.
Nothing
But I'd say by the
different.
time we work everyone out, you're probably paying for like one person in the US or something. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. We don't
well.
have cabanas like this in the US.
It's crazy, isn't it? So nice. Look at it.
You show up to
Got
the
a
beach with
bed.
your own. I know. You show up to the beach with your own like tent.
Yeah. One of them little windbreakers. You struggle to put it in the floor. And there's a swimming pool here.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
James is over there.
Oh, is he? Yeah, he might be. We forgot the rice. I blame Baji. It's your fault, Baji.
It's not my fault. Because he is sleeping.
Now we have to
Back again.
go drive again.
Back home. Because
Back home.
arise.
Not back home.
back home.
No, no way.
Back home because back home. Back home. Back home.
No.
Back home. I said back home.
We go sleep. Oh. Oh. Have all the space in the world. This motherfucker's parking next to us. Look. See? Anyway, we're gonna get some rice.
Kisi-kisi.
Yo, look at this fish.
Puffer fish.
Doesn't look like a puffer fish, but
Irritated.
irritate it. How? Shall I put my finger in there? Will it bite you?
No?
Put your finger in.
It's poisonous.
Is it really?
Puffer fish.
I don't think that's a real puffer fish, right?
It's not aggressive.
Oh, that's good. Might be after this bowl. Yo, that's crazy. Get it to do something.
Password is Wi-Fi. Picture ninyo.
Crazy, man.
That's cool. That's pretty cool. Oh, he's poking it now.
Urot na siya.
Yo. Oh no, not on the sand, Carlo.
Oh my god.
That poor fish. Now it's pissed off. Oh no, I think it's dead. Nah, it's not really. Just made it. That is sick though. Imagine it just jumps out and just suctions onto the camera. That is crazy. That is absolutely crazy.
Ha? Bunot. Hindi na makakuha ng bunot to. Hindi ang baga.
Mark, yours later, Mark, ha?
Na, kamo. Kamo si.
Oh, you hungry? Oh no!
I'm not gonna eat that.
Oh no!
Drop the food.
No, no, you hungry?
Drop the food. I can't eat it.
Daniel!
Here we are before the copyright music. Got some lovely food. Chicken, pork belly, that. Happy days. Look at that. Definitely a wedding going on over there or something.
No, it's birthday.
Birthday, 66th birthday party.
Oh.
Well, there's actually 2 events.
So,
No, there's food over there already. They have some new as well.
how's your last day on the beach?
Good man. Good mate.
Very good. Just goodbye to Sean in the vlogs.
Beautiful sunset.
Well, tomorrow's goodbye, really.
Be
Are you
alright.
sad to go, Sean?
Yeah.
Yeah. You enjoyed it?
It's been a good time. It's been a good trip.
That's been good.
Who do you think will be the saddest?
Your mum. Or James.
Nah, your mum.
Definitely your mum.
No, I will be.
Ah.
I'm so excited to get the fuck out of here.
Definitely.
No, I'm just
You don't like me here?
No, I'm just kidding.
Would you come back here?
Will I come back here? No. No, I'm kidding. I would, of course I would.
One day.
But we'd come back here longer and we'd go to different islands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Siargao.
We'll have to go to Siargao or Boracay.
If next year we
Palawan.
can come here for like 3 months or so, you have to try
For
and...
like well, for you guys 3 months. For me, it was
Yeah,
3
yeah.
months.
That's what I mean. If you try and get over here for a
And
little
then
bit of
it'll
that.
be like
Also,
3 nights in like
Dito sa mga online.
Yeah.
2 nights in like
Manila and shit.
Yeah, stuff like that.
We have to visit that BGC.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so cool, man.
Look at
As I
them.
say, it just looks like New York's just been chucked in the middle of the Philippines.
They're eating there.
Nice and steamboat. Oh, they're on the tiny bridge. Don't know if any of you guys remember last year, the bridge was there. It's broken.
James are following James.
Maybe it broke from me going on it too much. It's probably the end of the beach bit. And I'm not that hungry now. So mango salad's gonna have to be like later. Yeah. Or maybe tomorrow before you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be pretty late.
Yeah, exactly.
As
Yeah.
a kid, if I had a whole shovel at the beach,
What'd you do?
there would be a whole 10-foot, 12-foot hole in the middle of the ocean, in the middle of the beach. You ever done that?
What, dug a hole?
Dug a very deep hole.
Not a very deep hole. I build sandcastles and shit. What is going on?
They're gonna bury him.
Oh shit. Glad you're not getting in my car. Oh wait.
Let's go. Oh, it's fucking warm. Too hot.
It's hot.
Yeah. Ah. Massage. Woo. It's so warm. Go.
Do the head first.
Can you even call this sand?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is this? It's like, I don't even
Black
know.
sand.
Yeah, the sand here isn't great, is it? They should really just clean the beach.
Yeah.
Like, look at all this. How can you charge someone 100 peso each and then like the sand just look like this? Get someone to come along with a rake or something. You could, pay someone like £5 a day, come along, we can pay them half a day.
Yeah.
Come along and just clean the sand. It's not hard.
Give them 100
There's
pesos.
a fucking tyre in here.
Hey, look at all the trash right there.
Yeah, another tyre. You could almost build a car.
Just put your camera right there. See that?
On here?
On the green?
What, and watch the sunset?
No, it's all trash.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Is that a bird? I don't even know what that is. Coconut husk maybe? Like who's gonna pay to stay overnight? And you walk out in the morning to that? Oh well. I don't know.
Should we go?
Ah, it's too heavy.
Cover.
Pangit, oy!
Oh, cover.
Right, let's leave him here and go.
Bye! Oy,
It's
tanaw!
got a
Oy,
stick on
oy, oy! Oy, Marcos! Ay, tanaw!
Gansi ko. My face is stuck. No, my face is stuck.
No, Marcus, you have to be careful with that.
Oh, my feet. Over there.
Yeah, it's over here.
Yeah.
Just pull them towards you, or you can't.
It's hard. I cannot move. Kami pa kalubong ko dito.
Hey, place to
There
the
you go,
game.
keep going.
Take this.
Wait. I'm trying my best. You pay for this. I'm going to revenge.
It's fair, like even like one shovel of it's weighty.
Yeah.
It's heavy.
Ha? Oh.
You're enjoying it. Take it from my feet.
There you go. You got it. He got it. He got it.
Yeah.
Come on,
mate. Push! Grab the shovel. There was some good food though. That's pineapple. You didn't tell me we had pineapple.
I showed you that earlier. You offered.
Marcus, we have pineapple. Is it good?
Man, the pineapple here is so good. Have you had some?
Yeah. What do you guys? Filipinos in their pictures, man.
It never ends.
Even the kids.
Yeah. Even the kids. And they do all the girl pouting. Look at that stance. That is a girl's. That's a girl's day out photo. Right guys, I realised I never even outroed this vlog. We just finished at the beach, went home and enjoyed Sean's last day, so I thought I'd show you this last little bit of drone footage that we got before we left. Don't forget, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment anything that you want to tell me. Peace out.